Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Pink's Adventures here. Back in the shop, got a little install for the bike. Gonna do some floorboard extensions. Should be pretty easy to install. I think it's only like 2-3 bolts and then we'll be done. Let's get into it. Alright, and these boxes are the parts. Let's do a little unboxing here. There we go. Also have a set of mirrors I threw in here. That'll be a really quick install. It's just some aftermarket mirrors I bought. And these are the floorboard extensions. These ones are 3/4 inch. And from what I can tell, you can get them in 3/4, 1 inch, and 1.25 is the largest I've seen. All right, so here's the 2 bolts that we'll have to remove. There's one right here. And then there's one just up in right here. 5/16 X key is what we'll need. So we'll get to taking those off. Okay, so we got that side off. That would be the left-hand side sitting. As you can see, there's a bunch of thread locker on these things. We won't be reusing these bolts. The kit comes with new bolts that are longer to accompany the extensions. But this thread locker is going to be inside the hole. So I think what I'll do is I'll just take my tap and die set and just clean out the threaded hole just so we don't smash a bunch more in there and maybe wreck the threads or something. I don't know, but I'll clean it out before we put some new stuff in there. Okay, so we have our tap and die set here, and we'll just get it threaded in here. Clean out the thread locker, and we'll do the same with this one. Okay, so we're ready to put the floorboard on. So this is the floorboard where the extensions go. And then these extensions can pretty much only go one way. As you see, there's a pin right here. This one has a hole for the pin, so it just fits on there like that. And then of course the round one just goes on there like that with the bolt. And the long bolt goes front, short bolt to the back. Just give it a little dab of thread locker right there. Let's get this one started. And where did my... Okay, and now these get torqued 36 to 42 foot-pounds. I have torque wrench set at 38. There we go. We'll start the other side. Okay, and this will be the right hand side. didn't show it on the other side, but just for comparison, here's the stock distance right there, and then put the spacers in and see how much difference there is. Right now it's a little bit narrower than my finger, so we'll take a look. And again, we'll clean out the thread locker. And now we're ready to go back on. Long bolt to the front, short bolt to the back. Some thread locker. Hook it in. 38 pounds. Okay, so here's the comparison for after. As you can see, there's quite a bit of room. The stock ones, I couldn't even get my fingers in there, so. Okay, mirrors. Pretty simple. 1 acorn nut right here. 1/2 inch wrench. Nut washer. Mirror just pulls right up. Right in. Same thing, little acorn nut. Washer. And same thing, 1/2 inch. I'm not sure what the torque spec on these are. I'm just going to put them good and tight. There we go. These ones are actually a little taller than my stock ones, so should help with visibility a bit. Same thing, 1/2 inch. Same thing, drop it in. Line them up where you want them. And again, I'm just going to go with good and tight. There we go, floorboard extensions, new mirrors installed. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the products I got. Yeah, pretty easy. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, please like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.